Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Westfalia Towbars and Performance. Today on this lovely Friday, rainy weather, we had this beautiful G01 BMW X3 M come into our shop. This gentleman wanted a premium Westfalia invisible and detachable tow bar installed to his vehicle, along with a 13-pin round Euro style wiring kit out the back. Now, as you can see, even with the M competition rear bumper, this beautiful Westfalia tow bar fits amazing out the back. No bumper cuts required, and is easily detachable and completely invisible. Here's a little plug that swivels down and up and out of the way when you're not using it. Beautiful fit to a beautiful vehicle. Thank you guys for watching Westfalia Towbars and Performance. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our friendly team. We are happy to help. Have a great day. We'll catch you next time.